discovery phase. Crawling is becoming more intentional now. Yay, trying to stand. These wobbly attempts are adorable. First sniffs and interactions with siblings. So cute. A new discovery, the water dish. Learning to lap water clumsily but surely. Exploring the edges of their world, full of curiosity. Success, wobbly walking is here. So proud of them. Bumping into each other while they walk is hilarious. Preparing their first big kid food, exciting. Let's taste this new mud. Curiosity is high. Messy faces and happy tummies. They love their food.